Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today we will discuss how can customize GeoDirectory image upload option. At here, if you see, allowed file type is JPG and PNG, BMP, ICO, BEPI, etc. So if you see in the admin, then uh, you can see at here, like in the in the image option, there is no option for uh, file type. And if when we add any file upload option, then we get allowed file type. So but in the image option, this option is not available. So suppose I want to allow only JPG and PNG and JPG and PNG only. So how can do that? Also we can modify these option for like video option and other field option, like existing video option available, audio option available. So we can also use those things. So for that, if you think at here some setting etc., then this setting is not available in this U directory. So I also did some R&D on it. I did some Google on it. I did some ChatGPT help for it, but not get solution for it. So I checked inside GeoDirectory add-on and found this function filter GeoDirectory allowed memory type. So we can use this option, and for if we are using image, existing image, at here we are using image. So for that, we can use image as array, and we can allow only specific type. Same for video, same for audio, same for text, etc. So we can do that. So like at here, I did created some filter at here, and like first I will go to in the theme. So at here you can see directory starter is my theme, but it is parent theme, not child theme. So first I change first I create child theme for it, but I already have child theme for it, whoop. So first I activate this child theme, and then I will go to theme file editor, and inside that I will go to function.php, and at here I will add this code. I will provide this code in the description. So at here you can see I allow only memory type JPG, PNG, etc. And then update. Oh, and one more thing, I only we should add this code inside child theme, not in parent theme. So, because if we add in parent theme, then it will overwrite by update that theme. Now update, now check. Okay, I am opening this in new. Now you can see only jpg and png file is allowed. Three type of file image type is allowed, not other. So you can also customize according to your requirement. That's it guys. And I have 11-year experience in WordPress development. I also provide some custom WordPress development service, WooCommerce service, performance security service. I also provide GeoDirectory setup and customization, advanced API integration, subscription payment gateway integration, WooCommerce store setup customization. So you can check my website, and you can connect with me for new work or existing work. And yeah, you can also connect with me on my number this. And that's it guys. And now we will connect in the next video. Thanks for watching.